What's up guys, Crypto Kid here. Today is day 6 of the challenge, investing $50 in the stock market every day. You can watch the other videos. I'll put the link in the description below. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so here we are on Cash App, and before we get started, I just want to say a big thank you to each of the 5 people who subscribe to our channel. Make sure if you're not subscribed to do so right now. Before I talk about the stocks, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. It is at 44,775. This is an all-time high. It is up 16% today. And Tesla bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, so that's why it went up. And now we're going to talk about the stocks. So let me show you how we're doing here. $7.55 total gain. And the reason I don't have 300 invested and I only have 296 is because I actually forgot to invest $4 today because the stock market closed before I got to buying the last 4 stocks. As you can see, Twitter, eBay, Nvidia, and Shopify, I only have $5 instead of $6 because today is the 6th day. We're supposed to have $6. So tomorrow I'll just have to buy $2 of those 4 stocks. A quick interruption: if you sign up for Cash App with the link in the description, you will get a $5 sign up bonus when you send $5 to anyone. Let's continue with the video. If you're new to the series, I'm just going to do a quick overview of the strategy I use to invest in the stock market. The plan is to invest $50 every day. Now the way I break up this $50 is I put half of it into ETFs. The S&P 500, Dow Jones, and NASDAQ, that gets $50 in total every day. And the other $25 gets split up into 25 different stocks. So here I'm just going to scroll through the 25 stocks that I picked so you can see, and comment down below if you like any of these stocks, if you own any, if you want to follow along with the challenge. Once I have $1,000 invested, I'm going to see how much I can turn that $1,000 into. So stay tuned for that and subscribe so you don't miss a video. I try to post every single day. And that's it for this video. See you next time.